All right, take one, Mr. Raivat Trivedi. How are you feeling?
I am feeling great, bhai. How are you feeling?
I am feeling good. I came back from a travel, had 4 hours of sleep, and I'm directly here to shoot this lovely podcast, all because of your play.
Oh, lovely.
Which is
क्या
a-
यही प्यार है?
Yeah. Right? So, oncoming, कब आ रहा है आपका second?
Second show is happening on 31st of January. It is happening at Prayogshalla.
Very same
8:30
place.
p.m. It's a Saturday, and the tickets are available on all events. तो please आइए.
हम लोग जो यूजुअली एंड में पूरा प्रमोशनल बाइट करते हैं, इससे पूरा स्टार्ट में कर दिया हमने
That
पूरा.
is the purpose of the podcast, to
That-
promote the play.
And
right?
now, so the podcast over, guys. Like, over. It's
Directed
over.
by
In
Robert
fact,
De Niro.
yeah. Nice one. No, but how do you feel, especially first performance gaya, and we were just discussing about it. You know, after first performance learnings, some of the learnings are कि it not kills, but goes against some of the reasons you might have had when you started writing the play. So that realization between I made an art baby, but from what I learned from it, I have to cut and edit that art baby. What's that process like?
See, I think it's the treatment. जो मैंने लिखा है, तो I very ऐसा I say to mostly everyone I meet कि I'm not a writer, I'm an actor who is currently not getting worse, so he is writing basically.
Okay.
But the thing is कि ये नाटक का जो ट्रीटमेंट है या जो फोकस है इस पे, वो थोड़ा it's very semi cinematic, you know. It's not exactly play like. And इसलिए इस नाटक को मैं प्रयोग कहता हूँ क्योंकि नाटक
Good
करने
is
की
happening at Prayogshalla.
हाँ, okay. Also that I was coming to that.
I saw the joke. I went for it directly. But go on.
तो इसलिए इस नाटक को मैं प्रयोग कहता हूँ because it's an experiment of how do you want to treat it. And the beauty of theatre is that it keeps on evolving. Like it's not like film के once it's made तो it's made.
It's done. Yeah.
अब तो हालांकि वो भी चीज़ें एडिट होने लगी है, मल्टीपल एंडिंग्स उसके भी होते हैं. But with theatre you can always evolve yourself.
Every performance.
Yeah, like every show could be something new, could be something that you learned in the previous show. So yeah, I mean, like any other performance or production, this production also has some learnings that we learned in the first show. जो हम लोग जिस पे बहुत अच्छे से काम हो रहा है. Like
Which is what I dragged him away from just to shoot this on the basis कि it'll do promotion. So I had to make a lot of nice reasons so that we could do this podcast. But another reason I wanted to do this podcast is, so there's 2 things you said I really like and I would like to get into. Number 1, you said you are not a writer. How many poems have you written?
I don't know, like
Approx.
25, 30. हाँ.
Real poems? How many draft poems have you written?
Drafts तो many. I mean, many poems that did
100
not see
plus?
the light. I mean, somewhere around that.
Somewhere around that. And you are writing a play, which has already happened, not writing. You have written a play, it's gotten performed, and you are doing an edit. And still, we are at the stage कि हम actor है, हम writer नहीं है.
हाँ यार. Because I think, see, the entire thing as an artist is about expressing what you're feeling. What makes an artist for me is when, see, everyone feels on this planet, right? But the ability to say it out loud is what, for me, the beauty is.
Expressing the unsaid.
Yeah.
So when will...
Unsaid or either something said on a very regular basis, but it's beautiful. You know, to find beauty in the mundane is what art
It's beautiful.
is.
Yeah.
Yes. So I lost my train.
That was a great answer. I was going to come to that. That's a great answer, but it doesn't answer my question at all. Which is, when will you start calling yourself a writer? Did you see he tried to escape so beautifully? I'm not letting him.
See,
Good
I try to
podcaster.
express,
Yeah.
regardless of the fact that. So this time I wanted to direct or had this willingness of directing because it's once again exploring. Acting is a beautiful medium to express, but so is writing or directing. And I just wanted to explore कि मैं कौन सी और तरीके ऐसे है, कौन से और तरीके हैं जिससे मैं एक्सप्लोर कर सकता हूँ किसी चीज़ को एक्सप्रेस कर सकता हूँ. तो एंड उसी में देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रोथ यू हैव एज एन एक्टर और एज एन आर्टिस्ट. देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रोथ, क्योंकि आप सीखते हो, समझते हो. जैसे मैं जब डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैं बाहर से बैठ के देख रहा हूँ, तो आई सी माई एक्टर्स परफॉर्मिंग अ सर्टेन वे, एंड वो मेरे लिए भी बहुत सारी लर्निंग है
अबाउट एक्टिंग.
यस, बिकॉज मैं जितने भी लोगों के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ इस प्रोडक्शन में, चाहे वो एक्टर्स हो, चाहे वो क्रू मेंबर्स हो, सबके पास मुझसे ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है. एवरीवन, चाहे वो बैक स्टेज करना हो या ऐसे प्लेस का पार्ट बनना हो या खुद एक्ट करना हो, तो एवरीवन, ईच एक्टर हैज डन अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क कि उनके साथ उनको डायरेक्ट करना. इट्स लाइक इट्स रादर साथ में चीज़ों को डायरेक्ट.
You are also learning.
हाँ, इट्स
So, just to come, you said that I am learning more about writing by getting into directing, and then you said I am learning more about acting by writing. So, is this all a process for you to become a better actor?
I mean, yes, definitely. That's
Okay.
But I think it's the craft. You evolve as a human being, no?
Yeah.
जब आप एक्ट करते हो या जब कुछ चीज़ लिख रहे हो या डायरेक्ट कर रहे हो, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ दैट, इतने सारे एक्सचेंजेस होते हैं टीम के साथ, बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ. यू ट्राई टू सेल द प्ले एज वेल, आई एम रियली बैड एट.
Buy tickets, guys. Buy tickets. Gonna be great. He's learning. Look, he's learning.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
So,
And we'll get to that part, the tough learnings. First, I want to do the identity thing. Though. Continue.
Yeah, thank you. So, I think as a human, आपका बहुत अच्छे से evolution होता है. And that has been my biggest takeaway from it. कि it actually does not matter. In a way, there is definitely hunger to act, to be part of great stories. But as long as there is so much of willingness, yeah, pardon for the language, but अगर चुल है वो,
Chul. He said chul, guys.
बट अगर कुछ करने की वो चुल है, तो फिर एक पॉइंट के बाद वो मैटर नहीं करता कि वो आप किस तरह से कन्वे कर रहे हो या एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हो. तो आई थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ द डे क्राफ्ट बेहतर होता है हर तरीके से. तो मैं इसमें एज एन एक्टर भी इवॉल्व हुआ हूँ, एज अ राइटर भी हुआ हूँ, एज अ डायरेक्टर भी हुआ हूँ. तो आई थिंक या इट इज मल्टीपल थिंग्स.
And I like that. So I went to the label thing because a lot of artists I have a conversation with, like a stand-up comedian who's been doing it for 4 years, will still not introduce himself. I am a stand-up comic. There's a reservation. I'm always learning. But even in your learning, you are open कि मैं writer ना हूँ तो भी मैं writing करूँगा. मैं चाहे director ना हूँ and they all have better experience than me, I'm still directing. So that's great. That's fucking great. I said fucking, guys. So no, but that's really amazing. Now coming to the play and coming to the idea of learning and how learning can be sometimes killing the earlier motivations for the play. It's like, when you write a poem for the first time, you just write it for romancing a particular person. You're like, अरे poem अच्छी है, but अब मेरे को वो मैंने particular person वाली references को निकालना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो बंदी तो चली गई, अब मेरे को poem के लिए poem डालनी है. So you edit it. So what are those kind of learnings about this play? I'm sure the readers or the listeners would love to know that.
एक तो ये बहुत प्रोफेशनल पॉडकास्ट लैंग्वेज है, रीडर्स लिसनर्स वाली, which ऐसा makes me a little awkward. But
I'm doing nice.
मेरी ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग रही है कि मैंने ना, मतलब मैं बहुत आलसी आदमी हूँ, तो मैं किसी चीज़ पे बहुत ज़्यादा काम नहीं कर सकता.
Okay.
एंड सिंस आई कम फ्रॉम परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स का बैकग्राउंड में, लाइक स्टोरी टेलिंग है या पोएट्री के बहुत सारे शोज वगैरह मैंने किए, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि पोएट्री फ्लोज विद इन यू फ्रॉम अ सिंगल मोशन. तो वो टुकड़े पे मैंने कभी ऐसा लिखा नहीं है कि 30% कविता अभी लिख दी, फिर 3 दिन बाद जब वापस उस मूड में आया तो बाकी की रिमेनिंग कविता लिखी, ऐसा हुआ नहीं है. तो वो एक फ्लो में आपके साथ
one stroke the poem is done.
and it's 100% योर एक्सप्रेशन इन द सेंस कि मैंने जिस सोच में वो ख्याल को लिखा, उसको पोएट्री बनाया, I know how to deliver it, and I'm going onto the stage and speaking it, right? But when it is a medium like a play, it is not your idea anymore.
Okay.
Because और अगर जैसे मैंने लिखा, मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, but then at the same time it's also there are 4 actors in the production.
Yeah, I was going to be like, you can explain
सबका
that.
अपना एक आइडिया होता है इस नाटक को लेके. वो जो भी कैरेक्टर्स लिखे गए हैं, वो उनका खुद का अंडरस्टैंडिंग एक वर्जन होता है, तो आपका जो आइडिया होता है वो वहाँ पे डाइल्यूट होता है। कुछ चीजें जो आप कर सकते हैं विच इज पॉसिबल थिएट्रिकली, कुछ चीजें जो पॉसिबल नहीं है, सो यू हैव टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट दोज आइडियाज, देन यू हैव टू मेक योर बैकस्टेज टीम ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड, तो उनके भी इनपुट्स होते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ इट चेंजेस। सो इट्स नॉट लाइक पोएट्री और स्पोकन वर्ड परफॉर्मेंस जहाँ पे यू आर ओनली डिलीवरिंग योर थॉट, इट्स अ कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट। तो उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें, कुछ चीज़ें तुम अग्री शायद ना भी करो, फिर भी तुम्हें उस चीज़ के साथ अग्री करना पड़ता है, बिकॉज देन द एंटायर टीम्स आइडिया इज टू बी डिस्प्लेड। इट्स नॉट, इट्स, आई थिंक इट्स वेरी एरोगेंट टू से कि वो मेरा अकेले का आइडिया ही, या मेरे में वो, आई डोंट हैव दैट कि नहीं यार दिस इज द 100% ऑफ what I have thought should be displayed.
Okay, that's very interesting.
Because then it is supposed to evolve. अगर मैं, and it is very rightfully said, बहुत सारे लोग ये करते हैं, मानते हैं कि direction is the last dictatorial job in the world.
I was gonna say, because just one thing that if I read the poster, which you guys should check it out, it's a great poster, but why check out the poster? Check out the play, it's an amazing play. Prayogshala, when? Say the date.
31st of January, 8:30 p.m. Saturday. Tickets on all events.
And he says he's a bad salesman. But coming back to the play, so like if I see the poster, it says writer, director, Raivat Trivedi. So as a viewer, I would have an idea कि 100% तुम्हारा है, because you know it says that.
See, the thing is कि the world could be mine.
Yeah.
The setups, and since I have written it, the dialogues could be mine. But then रियलिटी में दैट्स नॉट द केस। जब भी एक फिल्म बनती है तो वो 100% फिल्म डायरेक्टर का दिमाग थोड़ी लगता है,
वरना बेस्ट एक्टर अवार्ड जो होता है।
हाँ, और डीओपी भी अपने 10 सजेशन डालता है,
श्योर।
एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर जो होता है, आर्ट वाला जो होता है, उसके भी अपने अपने सजेशन है।
True.
जैसे संजय लीला भंसाली नोज कि मैं ऐसी एक फ्रेम बनाऊंगा, पर उस फ्रेम में भी जो माइनर डिटेल शायद भंसाली साहब ना देखे, वो शायद उनका कोई आर्ट वाला देख सकता है।
Costume is not fully under your control.
Exactly.
There's so many of those tiny things.
तो जब अगर वो सारी चीज एक्चुअल में है, तो वो आपका विजन कैसे है? ऐसा तो है नहीं कि मतलब सब अपना मुंह बंद रख के वही करेंगे जो मैं बोलूंगा। That is not possible in the real scenario. Everyone has their own ideas to give, and that is when अगर मुझे सिर्फ अपना ही करना है तो मैं जिंदगी भर ना करूँ पोएट्री और सोलो स्टोरी टेलिंग शोज। That's easily possible, right?
Yeah.
But the idea is to connect with people.
Amazing.
The idea is to learn.
Great.
That is why even if the product is not what you thought of exactly, but the world that I'm bringing you in,
You're still happy
the
about
kind of treatment that I'm doing,
Yeah.
that is what says कि directed by is me.
Yeah.
That's my flavor. जैसे बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे when I told them this idea, और जो proper theater वाले हैं, they were like, see, when you said your one line and your idea to us, we thought of it as a very sci-fi space ki there are so many absurd and
You want to
crazy-
give people the one-liner, so just to explain them what a one-liner is, no one in the art industry has time to listen to your full plot, right? They try to edit it as much as they can. So पहले वो तुम्हें बोलते हैं स्क्रिप्ट लिखो, फिर बोलते हैं पूरी स्क्रिप्ट को फेंको और 1 पेज में डालो, फिर बोलते हैं 1 पेज पढ़ने का भी किसी के टाइम नहीं है, अब उसको एक लाइन में डालो। So if you would like to tell the audience what is your one line for this play?
एक क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में 2 लोग मिलते हैं और 2 लोग एक दूसरे से बात करना शुरू करते हैं। वो ट्रायल होता है एक एंटी डिप्रेसेंट पिल का, और फिर वो दोनों एक दूसरे से सवाल पूछते हैं कि हम जो भी महसूस कर रहे हैं, क्या ये सब सही है या फिर इस एक पिल का असर। तो इसी पे है पूरा नाटक।
Amazing. So when they heard this, they thought sci-fi.
हाँ, तो दे थॉट कि द पिल विल प्ले एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल।
Yeah.
और उसकी वजह से बहुत सारी absurd चीज़ें हो
हाँ.
सकती है, कितनी सारी चीज़ें जो हम एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं।
हाँ.
बट माई प्राइमरी फोकस ऑलवेज हैज़ बीन टू एक्सप्लोर ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप्स,
Okay.
dynamics. I like to see how humans react. I think there is a lot of drama when 2 people talk. So yeah, there is always a lot of drama.
Yeah.
और अगर तुमको इंटरेस्ट है इंसानों की बातों को सुनने में, बेसिकली गॉसिप करने में,
Yeah.
तो
सबको है।
हाँ,
सबको है। अभी डेविड बेकहम और विक्टोरिया बेकहम के गॉसिप में वापस गॉसिप चैनल्स का पूरा कर रहे हैं। उसके पहले रॉयल फैमिली का था जिसमें हमारा कोई कनेक्ट नहीं है।
yeah, that Johnny Depp and Amber
Heard.
Yeah.
Did you heard about Amber Heard?
You can always be better, Keval. You can always be better. तो पर्सनली भी बहुत इवॉल्व हो सकते हैं हम लाइफ में. नाटक करने की जरूरत नहीं है इवॉल्व होने के लिए.
Yeah, true.
बट नहीं, केवल इज इवॉल्विंग एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग.
वाह, ये नहीं करता. अब लग रहा है कि मैं सही में इतना खराब हूँ कि you needed to do that tap. You should have ended before the tap. No, but I love it. So you are saying, and I see that in your play. Like there is no like कि pill लेके उनकी skin color बदल गई. Pill लेके ऐसा नहीं है कि तेरा एक fantastic, you know, psychedelic sequence which is very famous in the film now. There's one trippy scene जिसमें back में वैसा वाला गाना बज रहा है. So instead of that, you focus on very real human concerns about commercialization, about psychological dependency on drugs, about, like you said, ki you didn't say it in your one liner, but they feel romantic toward each other, the people in this test trial. So about romance, and what is romance based upon? Is it true feelings or is it based upon the pill? So that's a great concept. I really like these questions that you're answering. What did you learn about these questions through the writing and the performance of the play? I'd love to know that.
What did I learn technically? I mean,
No. About these questions.
About the questions of
The
love,
play, yeah.
Whether it should be real or
Yeah.
it should be not. I think it just does not fucking matter. Love is supposed to be in that moment.
Okay.
Even if you discuss what is the tomorrow of that love, or what was in the past that was so special, so let's keep this going. It does not matter. और ये एक पिल के एक क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में हुआ है तो इसका कोई सेंस नहीं बनता. All those kind of things does not matter as long as it is happening in that moment. That is the entire idea of the play, that it could be possible कि the conversation between the doctor, the supervisor of that is in the play, and
Great actress, by the way.
Yeah.
Shout out. Please tell her name.
Harshida is her name.
I found, not to cut you off, but I found the supervisors in the play, both of them, from the corporate supervisor to the actual clinical supervisor, the hidden stars of your story. So please continue.
Oh, lovely. Thank you so much. तो उनके बीच में जो conversations है वो थोड़े uncomfortable लग सकते हैं. But because those conversations don't matter in the first place, because two people want to be with each other.
The trial people, yeah.
The volunteers, they want to be with each other, and as long as two people want to be with each other in that moment, उसके पहले क्या हुआ था और उसके बाद क्या होने वाला है, वो सारे सवाल जवाब ही गलत है. Because उस moment में अगर तुम्हें कुछ feel हो रहा है तो उसका मतलब वो
that
sense
is
है.
there.
हाँ.
Okay.
It makes sense if it makes you feel in that moment. If it does not makes you feel, तो फिर वो 10 साल का भी रिश्ता क्यों नहीं है? It just did not make sense now to me. So that is why many people, like after years of relationship or being together with each other, one day they are suddenly off because it just does not make sense. तो yeah, I think मेरे लिए तो greatest realization वही था. Yeah, realization भी नहीं, but it was more of a reminder that it really, अगर मुझे उस पल में कोई पसंद आ रहा है तो वो उस पल की ही बात है. It's not about.
और वो पल में सत्य है, उसके ऊपर फिर सोचो मत कहाँ से आया.
हाँ.
So Raivat is saying when you get drunk and you call your ex for the 100th time, it is completely valid according to Raivat, and it's not the alcohol that's doing it. No sir. Raivat has given you full permission to give drunk calls to ex. That is what the summation of that speech.
See, I don't think कि alcohol has nothing to do with it. Alcohol definitely has to do anything with it.
Yeah.
But
anything like pill or alcohol, any
any
push
substance
for romance.
Yes,
let's call
yes.
it.
Or even if the fact that you just want to call. So that is what is the spectrum. कि एक तो you are so drunk enough that you are not in the condition to call.
Yeah.
Condition to handle yourself, so you call.
Yeah.
Or either you are fully conscious that you want to make a call.
Yeah.
I think both of them are the same thing.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, actions speak louder than thoughts, words. You are calling
And
up.
intentions, according to your play.
And you are calling up. That is what matters. You want to talk to that person. So in that moment, it is valid. I don't know about tomorrow. Tomorrow, definitely it's going to be. I mean,
Hangover.
हाँ, hangover के साथ एक regret हो सकता है. I mean, if I talk about someone like myself, I might also have a regret myself. कि यार ये मैंने क्या कर दिया, मुझे नहीं फोन करना चाहिए था वगैरह.
Have you made a drunk call?
No.
No? Never?
No calls or texts. No.
No calls or texts. So, Raivat, once you end a relationship, you don't go back.
I mean, I might text on a random day, but not like, especially not when I'm drunk.
Especially not when you're drunk. We're learning. I like this part of the play as well, where the podcast as well, where we get to the real stuff.
But that should not be discussed.
Why not? That's part of your play. I think what another problem that we have, like we have hegemonized creators to this hollowed space, a pedestal, where we are like, oh, they cannot be regular people. And then a lot of times what we want, like you said, we love gossip. We love them coming down and being regular people. So I think we should also discuss things like this. So it's very relevant about your real life experience with love and romance. And I'm not saying ki you make the entire play about your relationship, but the things that we have, the way we express, or what teaches us these insights about love, I think that's very important to know, and also just fun to know. Like now I know about the director that okay, no matter how drunk you get Raivat in a non-dry state, he is not going to call. So that's great to know. Okay.
Yeah.
You were also speaking about the other people who thought your play was going to be sci-fi. So when they saw your play, what was their reaction?
They were happy the fact that it is something different. You have tried to do something different. I mean, it's kind of obviously stereotypical of us that we think that with a topic like this or with a subject like this, the only treatment or the first idea that comes into mind is कि इसका treatment थोड़ा sci-fi होगा, थोड़ा absurd होगा, but apart
It's
from
a
that,
stereotype or an easy guess.
हाँ तो and it's okay, but then again it's very, मेरे लिए तो जो भी, as I said, I'm not a writer, तो मैं जो भी लिखता हूँ it comes out,
Nice. Edit कर रहा है. He's not a writer.
comes out of very personal experiences and the things that I've heard around me or probably seen or consumed. तो इसलिए इस प्ले का जो ट्रीटमेंट है, अगर मैं एक स्पेसिफिक राइटर या ऑडियंस पुल के हिसाब से लिखने जाता तो इट हैड लाइक रियली ग्रेट मोमेंट्स विच कुड बी एक्सपेरिमेंटेड विथ, बट देन आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो व्हाट ह्यूमंस फील लाइक in such an environment. What do they say, what do they talk about, and that is why play की शुरुआत में ही it is said कि the volunteers will have to report whatever they are feeling, because feelings no matter what are important. So it's very important to feel, and it's very important to say that they are feeling, so
Express it.
So to create such an environment where they could talk and feel whatever they want to, where they could basically love without permission, like they know that their emotions are not in their control. So it's kind of a
Pill
relief.
based or test based.
So it's kind
or
of a
whatever.
relief where you know that even if you take an action like this, like sometimes when we are drunk, we might have done something in our life which we will regret next morning. Like you said.
That call.
But there is always this argument that hey, I was drunk.
मैंने नहीं किया तो
it was the दारू talking. It was the दारू calling. It was the दारू
vodka. Yeah.
तो वो एक argument हमेशा available रहता है.
Yeah.
So it's like a relief that we have that अच्छा we wanted to do this, we wanted to be this person, but we could
मैं
not
तो देख,
because-
मैं तो भाई तारो भाई बहुत तगड़ो હા તો मैं પી લીધી બે ત્રણ એટલે ફોન થઈ ગયો.
So a place like this allows them to feel, and it's okay if you don't take the complete responsibility of your emotions. But does not mean that whatever you are feeling is wrong. Those are your emotions. If you don't want to take the responsibility of it, or those emotions that you are feeling might not be like, would be very difficult for the society to accept or whatever it is. Like this character Aditya, he comes from a phone store. He's
Yeah.
an assistant store manager.
Assistant to the manager.
Watch the play. So मतलब it's very societally देखने जाए तो
Lower
हाँ.
estimation.
हाँ कि मतलब a girl who is studying psychology would not be with her assistant store manager.
The other trial is a
हाँ.
psychology student, proper set in her
yes,
field.
yes, Shruti.
Yeah.
So she wouldn't be with a guy like him, probably, और reality में भी हम नहीं देखेंगे, मतलब वो बहुत rare case.
मैक्स टू मैक्स लाइक आईफोन ठीक कर दे मेरा बस.
हाँ, exactly, that's the kind of conversation they have.
थैंक यू भी सोच के बोलेंगे अगर अच्छे से ठीक किया तो
यहाँ पे वो सारी चीजें जो है they don't have to worry about those things. They are worrying about things that are more internalized, you know.
things that we usually, I would say, don't worry about.
Yeah.
Because we are so concerned with the externals. कि ये phone manager के साथ में कैसे बात कर सकती हो, उसमें तुम अपनी feelings को मार दो.
Exactly.
So from what I heard, and I really like it that you are emphasizing feelings in this play as a huge thing. You are emphasizing the value of feelings. You are emphasizing not questioning feelings. And I think this also goes along with a lot of concerns of modern day. Like let's be very honest, you know, we have a lot of queer relationships coming up where people are really worried कि हमारी society क्या देखेगी ये मेरे feelings के बारे में. And you are not giving them the right, but you are saying it's okay to have feelings. Whatever action you may take, whatever realization you may come to, feelings are not wrong. And the actions that you take on them are not just completely you are the person to blame. It's an experience of life.
Yes.
And you are giving these two people, putting them in a test, in a cooker environment where they come to whatever realization about their romance which we do, which will not spoil. Because you have to watch the play Prayogshala when?
31st of January, 8:30 p.m. It's a Saturday. Come along, have a lovely evening.
You will have a lovely evening because I attended the play the first time. Full house, not even place to put my shoes, but it was a great experience, I would say. And like I said, ki mere ko, I found the testing couple to be the star. I really like the romance as well. I like the questions that were discussed. So now, is there anything you'd like to say before I do a wrap-up rapid fire with you?
Rapid fire? Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean,
Anything you want to talk about. You can even ask me questions like I asked you the call in X question. You can ask me questions like that also. I'm fully open.
okay.
Yeah.
Let me ask you, why did you do this? What was the reason of doing this with someone like me?
Great question. First, I'll give the most basic answer. What I've learned is in art, especially when you're putting art out there, the more self-involved you are, like you said, you know, मैं अपनी poetry और उसके ऊपर ही कर सकता हूँ. That puts you in a bubble, not just a bubble of your own creation, but also bubble where people who are externally watching you are like, इसको तो बस अपने में ही मजा आता है, ये तो अपने में ही मगन रहता है. So you're not growing past your barrier. So the reason I attended your play was also to get out of my own head, to get more ideas. The reason I did a review on your play was also to talk about not just my own experiences of watching the play, but also to communicate those with the audience. And for the podcast as well, to get that idea. Because I have never, I'll be honest, I have written 1,000+ poems, but I've never made a play come to fruition. So I wanted to learn about that. I wanted to know the feelings that you had. And I wanted to get some good views on YouTube and Instagram, man. What's the harm in any of this?
Great.
Yeah.
I'm not sure with the views part of it, but बाकी सब तो ठीक है, makes sense.
Yeah, we'll get there. Any other questions?
Any other questions?
I was hoping you would ask me if I had done a drunken call.
No, I'm sure you have done a drunk call. I'm sure.
I have done calls where I wasn't drunk and I pretended to be drunk so I could call.
Oh, fuck. That is more fucked up. I think you should take the pill.
So I'll ask you a question and we can edit this out. So don't worry about anything. But my question is, have you ever taken pills that would affect not just your body but your mind?
No.
No, you haven't done that. I was probably going to do that because of ADHD, but I have also never done that. But what is your opinion on pills? Because that is something that you mentioned in the play. So do you feel you have an opinion, or it's just as an outsider you are just showing the thoughts and you're like, let the people make their understandings?
What sort of opinion? Should we have pills or not?
Yeah, that affect the mind as well. Because some people are very ki mind to bhai sanctuary hai, sanctity hai mind ki. You know, some people are very open ki it's a disease like at any part of my body, and if I can take a pill for my leg, if I can take a pill for my liver, why can't I take a pill for my brain?
I mean, ये आमिर खान की एक पिक्चर आई थी सितारे ज़मीन पर. उनकी टैगलाइन थी सबका अपना अपना नॉर्मल. तो आई रियली बिलीव इन दैट टैगलाइन कि मुझे लगता है ईच वन टू हिज ओन और हर ओन. तो अगर किसी को लेनी है, if that could make them feel better in that very moment, then it's fine. That's eventually the why people drink or smoke, because in that moment it makes them feel better.
Why people drink coffee also?
Yeah, because when they are nervous, it makes them feel smooth.
I have been so nice. I've been supporting his play throughout. Why are you nervous? Okay, I have a question. Why are you nervous?
I'm not nervous about you supporting
Yeah.
it. Or, you तो definitely are supporting
Thank
it, and
you.
I love that.
Yeah.
But एक general एक nervousness होता है कि I don't do this, or I've
Yeah.
never done things like
This is
these.
first podcast, by the way.
Yeah, exactly.
This is my third attempt at a podcast, but this is I'm gonna put this out for sure.
Let's see. I
Yeah.
mean, even if it does not get out, but so it just is a little different for me. Then I have conversations with people, but it's just to have conversations on camera. It's little different.
It feels
Because
okay.
of which there might be a little nervousness, but coffee helps. Coffee helps.
I think you were great. You answered all my questions, including the tough ones. So now let's do a rapid fire. And I'll be honest, before the rapid fire, in the interest of getting views, I'm going to try and sensationalize some of the stuff you say.
Okay.
Right? We are doing this in front of you with no suspicious, spurious intentions. Will people get the word spurious?
I don't know. I'm not getting what you're saying. So
Let's just go to the rapid fire.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
just go
yeah,
to the
that's
rapid
true.
fire. Okay. Why does theatre suck?
I don't think theatre sucks.
Nine,
I
you're
don't think
supposed to say it sucks. Okay. What did you fail in the writing of the play?
More thrill. I think I could provide more thrill, and which I'm obviously working upon.
Right.
So, yeah.
What do you think the audience should know before they step into the play?
That love is love, and I think audience should know कि I don't know, man. मतलब I'm not God. How would I know कि audience को क्या लगना चाहिए? बस दो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ वक्त बिताते हैं, वो भी बहुत सुंदर चीज़ है.
Okay.
अगर तुम किसी के साथ वक्त बिता पाओ और उस वक्त में तुम्हें अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है, तो सवाल करना छोड़ दो कि वो वक्त सही है या नहीं है, इस इंसान के साथ मेरा भविष्य है या नहीं है. उस पल में रह लो, वक्त बिता लो. क्या पता अपने आप धीरे धीरे बढ़ने लगे भविष्य.
Great. Acting, writing, directing. Choose one.
Acting.
Ease. Okay. Acting, writing, directing, fuck, marry, kill.
I'll fuck directing.
Okay. This is just my
I'll kill my writing
Ooh.
and I'll marry
acting.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Should plays always be thrill, jhintak, dance, happy ending, or do audience deserve something serious?
No, they should not be always that. They should be something different. They should be always a different kind of experiment, extension of who you are as a person. So, my play, Kya Hai Pyar, is an extension of who I am as a person, and it's not all the time jhintak.
It has good jhintak moments also.
It
though.
has its own moments
Yeah.
here and there. It has its own laughter, but I think there should be something more than that. There is
Great.
always something that you want to say, rather than you want to. Not always, but और सिर्फ किसी भी चीज़ का क्रिएशन ऑडियंस को एंटरटेन करना नहीं होता.
Okay.
शायद कई बार इट इज़ ऑल्सो अबाउट आप कुछ अपने अंदर से निकालना चाहते हो.
Okay.
आई थिंक जब भी कोई क्रिएटर कुछ बनाता है, इट इज़ ईदर टू से सॉरी और टू से थैंक यू.
I love that line.
ये प्ले मैंने इसलिए बनाया क्योंकि मैं किसी से सॉरी कहना चाहता था.
Amazing. I was gonna ask that. So yeah.
या सो या आई
Did
थिंक
that person watch the play?
नो.
No. Do they know about the play?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you think they're gonna come to the Saturday show?
Not this show,
Not
but I
this show.
think I will take it to their city.
Oh,
That's
nice. Now you know what to do. We have to support this play, so it goes to the city where the person Revat is trying to say sorry to actually
Yes.
watches the play. I was gonna say balls up and watches the play, but I'm like, no. So
No.
I didn't, guys. I didn't. I held back.
Keval is evolving.
I am evolving. In a podcast, one podcast, I'm already learning. Great. Some more rapid fire just to make and we'll do this rapid. I
Yeah,
want
yeah.
only one line answers now.
Sorry.
One thing you want, no worries. One thing you want to completely kick out of your play that you did before and now you want to throw it away.
Mindless comedy.
Mindless comedy.
If there are some moments, but yeah.
I love it. I love the honesty here. One thing you realize that you need to evolve in as a director to do a better job next time.
I need to be very sure of something that cannot be replaced, should not be replaced. So a little bit more of authority or a surety of thought. Yeah.
All right, great. That's great. One thing you have realized that all directors have been lying about how hard it is and it's very easy and they're just doing drama about it.
I don't think. Actually, it is easy. I think it's very hard. I mean, after a certain age, it could be easy, but I think it's hard.
Okay.
Especially in today's times. I
Okay.
think pehle, the power dynamics were like so fucking.
We have gotten him to open up, guys. Took us long enough.
But the power dynamics and the way of working was very
Yeah.
different before, and now it is very different. तो अब बहुत लोग ऑफेंड ना हो जाए काम करते करते भी उस चीज़ का भी बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है.
True. Like
So because of which it is a little difficult. Plus, since I am very new to this entire thing, so I don't.
surety again. I'm keeping you on track now because this is rapid fire.
Yes,
baby. Okay. What is the worst play you have ever seen?
Worst play I have ever seen. Oh. Worst thing I have ever seen. It was actually a play made by my batchmate when I was in Bombay and I was doing theatre. तो मेरे एक बैचमेट थे, उन्होंने एक नाटक बनाया था.
Yeah.
तो that was really boring. That was उन्होंने थ्रिलर बनाने की कोशिश की थी. मतलब वो ऐसा धमाका करना चाहते थे, पर वो धमाका पाद का निकला.
फुसकी बॉम्ब.
तो वो फुसकी हो गया.
हाँ.
But I don't want to say कि what the play was about.
That I would have left it to you, but I don't want to make it a call out. I just want to make it an authentic conversation because again I feel like when we are doing these things, there's a tendency that we are very positive. Like we're always super positive.
Yeah.
But I don't believe in that. I believe कि अगर कुछ खामी है तो हमें बोलना चाहिए because that also gives our positivity more validity. So that when I say कि this guy's play is actually good, I mean it. And I mean it that his play is actually good and you should watch it. So that should also come through कि if I see something bad, I should have the guts to call it out and not live in trying to look good, trying to appease, trying to be this fake nice person. Doesn't mean I go out and be an asshole.
Did he just say कि I was being very diplomatic and stuff like that? No, actually I'm not being diplomatic. The first thing is कि I don't remember what it was.
Okay.
That's the thing about
No, I
that
wasn't
play.
saying it about this one at all.
Achha,
I was
okay,
just trying.
really.
I was just trying to see how much I can get you to open up. Hey, I have some podcast tricks and techniques as well. Come on.
Yeah, no, why not?
And I like that you have opened up so much right now. We'll just do a couple more questions and then we'll wrap this up quickly, right? Because you have to edit the second draft and I'm really looking forward to it. And I'm really looking forward to the things that happen going on in the Saturday play. Genuinely.
Which is happening on 31st of January at Prayogshala, 8:30 p.m. That's a Saturday. Come along.
अब तक तो वो लोग के तेरी लहजे में भी बोलेंगे. Like तेरा वो फ्लो भी एक सेव है उसका.
ना बोलो चलेगा, बस नाटक देखने.
And you say you're a bad salesman. No, but it's a good play. You should definitely come and watch it. What do you think about selling your art? We talked about being a salesman a couple of times. What is your view about selling your art?
I think I'm pretty bad at it, but I think it's very, very important to sell art because अगर आप खुद अपनी बनाई हुई चीज़ नहीं बेचोगे तो कौन ही बेचेगा. वो एक अलग तरह का मकाम होता है जहाँ पे लोग आके आपका काम बेचते हैं और ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट होते हैं क्योंकि उनसे उनका फ़ायदा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. बट वहाँ तक पहुँचने में थोड़ा वक्त लगता है कि लोग आपके साथ जुड़ जाए आपके इस काम में. पर या आई थिंक हो सके उतना कोशिश करना चाहिए हम सबको टू सेल आवर आर्ट बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट इवेंचुअली विल मेक इट रीच आउट टू द पब्लिक कि हम
More
कितना
people.
चाहते हैं उस चीज़ को उस तरह के लोगों तक पहुंचाना जो हमें लगता है कि उससे उनकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ होगा.
Great. So sell to get more people involved to
Yeah.
create more change in society.
To more likable people involved. In the sense कि अगर वो किसी के पास ऐसे जा रहा है कि जिनको उस चीज़ की पड़ी नहीं है. अब ये अगर ये मेरा नाटक देखने अगर कोई
I was gonna ask that. Which is the complete wrong kind of audience to come and watch your play? You discovered one of my rapid fires.
Oh yes, it's I mean a very stereotypical art hating guy.
हाँ
कि अगर मान लो कि अगर वो मेरा कोई दोस्त है
हाँ
who is not at all interested in plays
हाँ.
or in art by any means, अगर वो ये नाटक देखने आ जाए तो देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि वो शायद उसकी तारीफ इसलिए करे क्योंकि मैंने बनाया कि ओ मेरे दोस्त ने बनाया. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट उसका कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है देखने में. बट आई थिंक इफ समवन इज इंटरेस्टेड इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, इफ they like to know how human beings react to things, and अगर उनको दे फीलिंग्स की कदर है अगर किसी को, तो आई थिंक दे आर माई ऑडियंस.
Great. That's great. What was the question I asked before? Because you discovered this question, so my train of thought got lost. उसके पहले वाला question क्या था मेरा?
टॉकिंग टू द रॉन्ग गाय.
Talking to the wrong guy.
मैं हर ट्रेन ऑफ थॉट से निकल जाता हूँ.
Complete
ट्रेन चालू होती है
disembarkment.
जैसे ही
Oh, I
चालू हो रही है
remember.
और
हाँ.
ये
You are Geet from Jab We Met. Yeah. But you catch all your trains.
yeah.
That's just like Geet. Great. And I got my. I went back in that little transition we had. So, what is the line between selling your art and sell out?
अपना दाम पता होना चाहिए.
Ooh.
तो आई थिंक सेलिंग योर आर्ट और सेल आउट एक ही चीज़ है, बस अपना दाम पता होना चाहिए लोगों को कि तुम क्या बेच रहे हो और तुम कब बिक रहे हो, उसमें फर्क वही है.
You are speaking so much in such few words. That was a great diplomatic brevity answer. Great answer. All right. Last question. As a person who has done all this writing thing, what is your next step after all of this is done?
I'll start writing my another play.
Woo!
उसके बाद another, then I have a film with me. So that, and उसके बाद इन सब के बीच में अगर कोई कैमरा के सामने बुला लेता है
Yeah.
तो चले जाएंगे.
Yeah.
That, and इसके shows I'm planning to do the shows for this play
Okay, like
outside
more.
of Gujarat. And
Yeah. For the sorry person.
Yeah, for the sorry person or without for that person. But yeah,
I'm just giving them a hook to support it so that to get them involved.
please.
Yeah.
I
We
think,
need that thing to resolve.
और मुझे लगता है कि वो अगर पहुंचना होता है तो उसके पास अपने आप
You believe in fate and
yeah,
you
I
believe in that.
fate works. Yeah.
Fate works. Okay, great. We answered another question. You could have also answered it. I'm going on a Goa trip, or I'm trying to get my own romance like Shruti and Aditya. Yeah. No, nothing.
I wish I could. That was the plan, but then responsibilities.
Responsibilities.
Yes.
Yeah.
Some deadlines and commitments because of which.
No worries. I am sure they only come because you're such good at your job that you're getting more and more work. So that's a great sign for you. That's the universe validating your work. And with that, we shall end our podcast today. Universe does validate all the hard work due to, as you can see, your second play is coming out, or the second run of the play is coming out, and I'm really excited for that. I hope all of you took away with these feelings. I hope you took away validity in them, not questioning them, and the fact that Raivat gave you all permission to drunk all your exes. That's the big one. That's the biggest takeaway that we have from this. Thank you so much,
Sure.
buddy. I loved this
Yes,
conversation.
same
with you.
here. The feelings are mutual.
I also wanted to do this conversation because I like you as an artist. We have great conversations. So I wanted to do this not just in front of a camera, but in a place where we can get into the depths of the true emotions and try to wrangle them out. But I didn't want to say that in the start because that's very
And he said it in the end.
Yeah, I said it in the end. na?
No point of it. No
Yeah.
one should be watching by
Oh, it was to drag them to the end, so I give that niceness in the
I
end.
don't think so. It is nice at all. What is the point?
Okay, now I'll splice this in the start now. Happy? Completely breaking the flow of the podcast. I'll splice this in the start rather than ending on a nice note. I think this should be your frame. Me laughing, the disappointment on your face. But you won't be disappointed when this Saturday.
The play would be happening on 31st of January, 8:30 p.m. Prayogshala. It's a Saturday, and come watch
Have to.
and question.
And question and love it, as I'm sure you'll do. Thank you so much. Thank you
bhai.
so
Thank
much
you.
for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
And with that, we cut.
Cut.